In the world of automotive artistry, some cars transcend mere transportation and become rolling works of art. That's exactly what Totem Automobili has achieved with its Alfa Romeo-based Restomods. Known for blending Italian design heritage with modern engineering, Totem has created some of the most desirable custom builds in recent years. But now, the boutique brand is preparing to close its chapter in this niche market. Before stepping away, it has revealed one final creation, a breathtaking send-off called the GT Super SP or Sport Prototipo edition, limited to just 10 examples worldwide. The prototype, numbered 00, made its debut at the prestigious Monterey Car Week during the Quail, a Motorsports Gathering, and the reception, pure admiration. Even among the sea of exotic cars present, the Totem GT Super SP managed to stand out. While the standard GT Super was already a stunning reinterpretation of a classic Alfa Romeo coupe, the new SP edition pushes the boundaries even further. From the outside, the GT Super SP has a more aggressive stance, sitting 130 millimeters wider thanks to extended carbon fiber wheel arches. One of its most dramatic design choices comes from a collaboration with German exhaust specialist Capristo. Instead of exiting through the rear, the exhaust pipes now roar from the sides, giving the coupe a race-inspired edge. This bold move allowed Totem to craft an all-new rear diffuser made entirely of carbon fiber, further emphasizing its track-focused DNA. Every single body panel on the SP is made from carbon fiber, showcasing Totem's dedication to both performance and craftsmanship. The debut prototype wears a deep maroon finish, highlighted by bronze detailing on the grille, wheels, headlight surrounds, mirrors, and even the wiper arms. The blend of maroon and bronze creates a unique aesthetic, elegant yet muscular, classic yet undeniably modern. Underneath the stunning exterior lies an extensively re-engineered chassis. Totem has refined the subframes, tweaked the suspension geometry, and equipped the coupe with electronically adjustable suspension from ORAM. But the heart of the SP is its engine, and here is where the car truly laughs in the face of Alfa Romeo's current Giulia Quadrifoglio. Powering this masterpiece is a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine developed by Italtecnica. It's not just any V6. The unit comes with individual throttle bodies, direct and port fuel injection, and outputs an astonishing 730 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Best of all, this powerhouse is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission featuring a gated shifter crafted from billet aluminum. In an era where manual transmissions are disappearing, Totem has embraced tradition, ensuring a driving experience that's raw, tactile, and deeply rewarding. The interior of the GT Super SP is no less remarkable. A new carbon fiber transmission tunnel runs through the cabin, complemented by bronze accents on the dashboard, gauges, and switchgear. The steering wheel is a bespoke design, complete with a dedicated boost button, while the seats are formed from carbon fiber and upholstered in luxurious blue Alcantara. Every detail has been carefully considered, blending motorsport influence with Italian elegance. With only 10 units planned, the GT Super SP is destined to become one of the most collectible Restomods in history. For Totem Automobili, it represents both a farewell and a celebration of what made the brand so unique: passion, craftsmanship, and the courage to push boundaries. As the automotive world transitions toward electrification, creations like the GT Super SP remind us of the visceral magic of high-performance combustion wrapped in timeless Italian style. Totem's chapter may be closing, but with the GT Super SP, it leaves behind a legacy that will be remembered as one of the finest Alfa Romeo Restomods ever built.